welcome to Dubai.
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
What's up guys, we are in Abu Dhabi and as you can see we got some Fords, F-150s, Raptors. It's a Shelby crew. Are they all Shelbys? They are all Shelbys. 3 Shelby F-150s, Raptors. I don't actually know the exact name. What are they?
This is Shelby F-150.
Shelby F-150 7
HP.
Oh Jesus, I lost you. 750 HPI, not horsepower. No HPI. This one over here is definitely my favorite. Not the fastest though. Ours is definitely the fastest. Or could have just been Chris driving it. So this one's definitely my favorite. But we're not here to film Raptors. We are back at Sultan's garage to finish a video we shot last year for a mini series called Driver Stories. And yeah,
It's Chris.
nice driving.
Fuck me.
This is the one that's going to go to the show.
Is it? Is it?
Well, this one's bagged. What do you reckon? Everything's good in here, but like look at this little quad with tracks. It's also got like normal tires in the front. Did you? You good? Yeah, you too.
Hi, Ben. Sultan. Nice to meet you. Hi, Chris. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. How are you doing?
Hi. Hello. How you doing?
Still stay on session late. Hold up, my new bitch wetter than a late. Hold up, and she love to let me paint her face.
That's twin cam. This now got like 18,000 miles on it.
Really? Yeah.
I'm just stunting in that next bitch. I'm just flexing on my next bitch. I'm just stunting on my next bitch. I'm just flexing on my next bitch.
Sultan has taken us across the road to a new coffee shop, which also has like a motor supply. Oh, what's this? Motor supply, is that what you call it? Motorsport store? What's this? Motorsport accessories upstairs, so we're going to check that out. And also Chris has just handed me this here, so maybe check that out as well.
Let's have a look. I just thought I'd get that on camera straight away. Still videoing.
On my next bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my next bitch. I'm just flexing on my next bitch. Fuck the wedding ring, I bought a dead bitch. Diamonds got the food, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they catch that. Hold up, bitch, my Rolex on fleek. Hold up, bitch, my diamonds on fleek. Hold up, I got gold on my teeth. Hold up, you got rainbow on your feet.
Very nice.
What?
Malioc.
Are you looking at the handbrakes or the pedals?
The handbrake. I think it's black out. Official.
Let's see the car.
There we go. Shout out to Kings. It's kind of brand new store we're in here. Right beside Sultan's garage. Free coffee, can't beat that.
So we're back at Saltans to update the driver story video that we
Yes.
shot last year.
Indeed. We basically filmed last year with Sultan. He gave us loads of really great information about who he was, a bit about his history and some other stuff, but he then went forward into 2019 and basically had this unbelievable Aston Martin which he drifted. So we don't mind Dan. We want to update the video before we post it. So we're just going to grab a few more words from him and then shoot some stuff with the Aston.
Big C, you can put some nice shots of the Aston in now. So.
Back in the middle, it's gone. Shit, I got some real cologne. I'm just on the deal, I'm on. Go out, play if you want, let's do it. I'm your CEO, shoot, The first nigga play on my body in there. I just did my balance, I probably pull up in your hood and just buy me a nigga. Okay, you know that you're a that nigga crazy, don't think she lied to me, nigga. You talk with your hoe when I'm popping the ball, now they hot just like Bobby and Willie. This nigga on the go, nigga, I don't know, fucking them out of the way.
fucking that. There's an Aston Martin down here. We're in Dubai.
He's going to get the potatoes out.
What's the story?
If you want to go get the potatoes really fast, we'll take this one.
So it was a good choice, I think, to build the Aston.
Did you get some behind the scenes while we were doing that?
I took like 1 or 2. Yeah.
How did it go?
It went very well.
Do you think I could be a BBC presenter or interviewer?
You could interview, like maybe not present.
What are you talking about?
You swear a lot.
We're gonna go look for a location for Sultan's Aston later that we're gonna shoot, and I'm just gonna leave James here.
Gotta see it.
He's like, I'm not doing anything here, boys.
Do it!
Do it!
Do it! You have to shake, put it in and shake it.
Shake it off, shake it off.
I love the way we're just driving along. I was like, that guy's got Mentos.
Put it in designer, she Italiana, she is sort of kinda, she pure cute, so she really fine, just sort of weird, and she got some give me OPP for my OGB, these ABC, do your ABCs, I'm a young red hair, red guy, and I love it when the bitch she be trying to trust nobody,
Smell the silicone.
Fucking stinks, mate.
Oh shit.
He's absolutely mortified.
We were driving past and I just went, here's that guy about to drop Mentos in those two. So we did a full U-turn, came back, and he had already opened them, just dropped Mentos in, and he just kind of like split it up like just a little bit. Didn't do the full thing.
Poor lad, look.
Is this how everybody in Dubai and Abu Dhabi get their cars ready?
Yeah, this isn't the only person.
Literally like 24 hours before
the show, yeah. It's going to be who's actually going to make the show. Yeah, this isn't the only car like this at the moment.
It's got no interior. Well, it's got no seats.
No seats. The wheels aren't on it. The wheels don't have tyres yet.
Doesn't have a bonnet.
Doesn't have a bonnet. It's got no air freshener in it. Doesn't have a battery that works at the moment either.
You try to start it.
But this one's even farther off. Like
So this is the Porsche. Just arrived from paint.
Yep. Gonna put the wheels on now.
And
this is the head mechanic, Mr. Roger. He's losing his mind.
yeah, he's stressed about it.
He's so yeah, it's wet sanded, needs to be polished at the same time, and we need to put the engine, the links for the ITBs together and tune it. And we have a day, so it's fine.
you have 1 day.
Yeah, it's fine.
Look at it.
That's fine, sir.
Has it started yet?
We don't have the links for the ITVs. It should arrive on the 19th, which is today. It arrives from London. So the throttle body will come from London in a bit. Put it on. There's a fire already here. So.
Like he's
Yeah. So it's the links for the throttle body is there. Then we'll know. Then we'll know if it has issues. We still don't know. We have a day. It's fine.
You know it's serious whenever there's math on the board.
That's for the Aston.
That's for the what?
The Aston. We needed to know what was it? Oh yeah, for the upper control arm and where it sits with the hubs. We needed to do new hubs, so we actually got the numbers right. And then this is for the axles. We did our own axles, and I remembered the sine, cosine, as long as it's in right degree. Anyway, we got it right. So.
So we are taking the Aston to where we just showed you, a road, kind of, not really a road actually, it's more of like a desert. I don't really know how to describe it. It's almost like, looks like a wasteland beside the docks. That's where we're shooting. So we're going to shoot the Aston over there for the driver stories video, and they're taking it on this, which is pretty cool.
Send it.
Pussy.
Too much grip, mate. Too much grip.
Thought you could drive a bus.
I'm drivable. He doesn't need to do that. Too much grip. That was a full dog. hold up, full send. There's a full circle. We're fucking happy with that one, boys. We're gonna write that one off as a D.
This is pretty fancy.
I like it.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave him the drill, they set it up, I got him on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch what you tone. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a listen, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I ain't got fun when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all corners. Vibes a little cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young people think it's rush. I love it.
What do you see inside this thing?
So there's a kill switch, and then just wait for the Samsungs to load. Now press ignition,
Here we go. Look.
and then let that load up. Just get the display up, and then
That's pretty sick.
and then press the start button, and it should start.
All right, here we go.
Press and hold. There you go.
I got.
And then you just kill that switch and it'll just kill it altogether. Get the same one that you put it on, like the kill switch.
This one here?
Yeah, that one, yeah. Silence.
Just like that?
Yeah, just like that.
So that's a wrap on Sultan's Aston Martin. Big shout out to him. Check out his Instagram, we'll tag him below. And yeah, good luck in the future drift series, in the Aston Martin, because it's pretty sick. What are you up to, James?
Just putting our stuff away.
Alright, so that's a wrap on today. We'll catch you tomorrow, where we will be filming 2 more cars. Hopefully we'll get another nice sunset. Guaranteed though, because in Dubai it's pretty much a nice sunset every day. Also guys, thanks for supporting the channel. If you want to help us, please go pick up some merchandise on our store. Link is below in the description, and of course subscribe, like the video, and turn notifications on so you can see the videos first, because if you don't, you might not see the videos. So make sure you hit subscribe, like the video, let YouTube know, to let everyone else know to go watch the video, and that's it. Be aggressive if you want, like.
No.
Go.
Subscribe, you fucking penis. Letting that northern cunt talk on your vlog. Oh, subscribe, you swipe up or something. How'd you do it?
You just click subscribe.
Where is it? Where's subscribe?
There.
Click subscribe, you fucking dickhead. Hey, come on.
Tell them to like it as well.
Like what? The video?
The video.
Oh, like the video and subscribe. Safe.
Say.
Safe.